Here we have some hydrogen peroxide, which is a 3% solution available in any pharmacy or drugstore. I'm going to pour some of that into this test tube. Needed about a third full or so. Then I'm going to take some manganese dioxide, MnO2. This is available through a chemical supply company, or you might be able to get some from your local high school. We'll just put a pinch of that in here, and you'll notice then that the test tube itself is bubbling inside as gas is being generated and escaping through the surface. I'm now going to take a wooden splint and ignite that and just blow it out so that it glows and lower that into the test tube. And you'll notice that when I lower it in, it bursts into flame. This is a test for the production of oxygen gas. What is happening is that the manganese dioxide actually catalyzes the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, releasing oxygen gas and water. Let me write this on the board as an equation. Hydrogen peroxide has the formula H2O2. In the presence of manganese dioxide, which I write over the arrow to indicate that it's a catalyst, we produce oxygen gas plus 1. And to balance this equation, we need 2 molecules of hydrogen peroxide and 2 molecules of water. The oxygen gas has a density very close to the density of air, and therefore, as it rises out of the test tube, it does not simply diffuse into the air, but it stays in the test tube, and then when I take a glowing splint and lower that in, it ignites from the rich environment in oxygen gas. Another way to produce oxygen gas from hydrogen peroxide is to take some hydrogen peroxide and add potato pieces to it. So there's some hydrogen peroxide, and then I've got a small potato, and we'll slice that into little pieces and add the potato slices to the hydrogen peroxide. Potato contains an enzyme called catalase that decomposes the hydrogen peroxide. And we'll shake that up and just let that stand for a while. I'm going to place a stopper on the test tube lightly so that the oxygen gas doesn't escape readily. Oxygen has about the same density as air, so as the gas is being generated, it will gradually move up and displace the air that's in here. So we stopper it lightly, and the catalase enzyme that's present in the potato is now decomposing the hydrogen peroxide, giving off some oxygen gas. And you can also see that we have quite a bit of foam being produced here. That foam will break down. You can see bubbles of oxygen gas coming off the potato pieces as the potato enzyme catalase decomposes the hydrogen peroxide. We'll try to collapse the foam. I'm just stirring it a little bit to break up the foam. And now I'll take a splint So just light a splint using alcohol burner, blow it out so that it's glowing, and now lower that into the test tube, and you can see that oxygen gas is being generated. So this is another way of producing oxygen gas if you don't have the manganese dioxide catalyst available. It's just a bit slower, but it does work, as you can see from this demonstration.